Uy, ginoo ko! Napagpag-init mo, napitik. Oo, natiktik that you think. Tiktik sa mais, tiktik sa mais. Ay, wow! She's looking at me like... And I'm so afraid that I might fart. Good morning, guys! Good morning! Today's Wednesday. I'm alone here. I just came back from, you know, every other day thingy. If I'm here, I'm just looking at the dog. Where is Roxy, Misty? Where is your sister? Okay, let me call them. Roxy, in. Okay, are you ready to go in? Roxy, Roxy. I can't find her. Let me try to look where she is. She is hiding somewhere. Oh, you're doing your business. Okay, look what she's doing. Good girl. Okay, let's go in. Come in. Good girl, Roxy. Good girl, baby. Good girl. Yesterday afternoon, I was like, you know, before dinner, like I think it's 5 o'clock. I was editing some videos in the couch. I will show you where I sat yesterday. This is why I always sat down. And I reclined this chair, and while I'm having you know, headset and TV and listening the, you know, the audio of my editing my videos, and then when I turned like that, I saw a bold man. There's no here, and then he's standing over there. I can see that in the crack of the blinds and the air conditioning, and I can see the outside of it. Yeah, I can see whoever's in there. So scary. I just saw him over there looking around, and I don't even know who it is. And then hour later, I check if there is a mail. There's a package, but there's no package. Hopefully, there's no package in there that he talked, because there's a lot of people, guys, that you know, take package from neighborhood to neighborhood. And I don't know, some people also, they don't do that, but they just like check if there's people in the house that they can just get in and take everything in there, or kill whoever they can kill. It happened a lot. Not this neighborhood, but the neighboring town. And yeah, especially in the afternoon, that very scary. And yeah, today I'm going to do vacuum, because the other day I told you I'm going to vacuum and I end up not doing that. So what I'm going to do, vacuum. And also I have an appointment for you know, my pre 5-hour course, and hopefully that smoothly, you know, just quick time, because 5 hours, 5 to 10 in the evening, and it's gonna be a long time. You know, when you just sit down listening, it's kind of boring, and hopefully just go quickly. And I was planning to go also upstate tomorrow to go to the house to get the mail, to check if the gardener, if they did clean their yard, because last weekend, this last weekend they supposedly go there and get the thing, and we have to get something in Costco also. So maybe I don't want to stay there, because I was thinking, oh my god, my husband will drop me off in there, and then he left me after. You know, it's just like I feel already that just thinking about it, I feel the anxiety, the separation. Like, we'll have to, like, you drop me and leave me. It really like bothers me so much. Like, I have that thing, I can't control it. People just can deal with it, but me, I can't. I don't know why. And I'm thinking, yeah, maybe we can go there. I drive, and then he'll drive, and we just, you know, switch every now and then driving, or I can drive the whole time. And also, yeah, so that's what I'm planning, if we can go. But the Costco thing, we have some insulation 7 left in there, so we have to get it, because we paid that already, and we should get it before this weekend. Look at this dog, it's acting up again. You are crazy, lazy dog. She's just, can I tell you guys, she is the craziest and laziest dog I ever met. Lazy dog. At night, we give them treats before we go to bed. What happened is he just like lie down over there. Here's the treats, and when I say the treats, she's looking at me. Give the treats, and then he's just sit down there, lie down, and do nothing. So what we do is give Misty one. You know what Misty does? Misty bring the treats to her sister, that her sister can have something, and then he came back for herself. Came back a treat for herself. It's just like ridiculous. She is lazy dog. She just lie down. Sometimes she's eating her treats, and then she can't reach the treats, because sometimes we throw it in the floor and she can't reach it, and she lie down. She slide her body and just, you know, touch the pool, like, you know, like that, and doesn't want to get up. Roxy, not the papers. You are pinning the neck. You are being a bad girl again. Sit down over there. Behave. Good girl. Who's a good girl now? Are you a good girl? The mouth. Oi. Oi. You're being such a pin in the scotch. Pin in the neck, scotchy. You're bucking up like I'm gonna do something. Nothing to do. They are running away from the dog. They're so afraid of the vacuum, like ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Oh, you will see it. And he just keep coming back. Okay. Okay, go in the kitchen. Go in, go inside. Go in, go in. He doesn't know what to do. Look, where's the other one hiding? I'm done vacuuming, guys. But look who's hiding still. Afraid? Are you still afraid? Miss my husband. Yeah, I went to the 3rd floor and clean up your poopy. Hey, clean up your poopy. Hobbs, that's what I did. Clean up your poopy. Oi, you're being close to each other. Oi, oi. Oh, the jealous one. Oi, oi. Of course, you want me to touch you, so you don't want to be left alone. Left alone. You always want to be part of the lovey-dovey in the world. I miss my husband because yesterday he worked late. I mean, worked late like but he left the house like 1 o'clock yesterday, and left the house. Yeah, he left the house 1 o'clock, and then he's supposed to leave at 4 o'clock, but you know, Manhattan in New York, traffic all the time, and also that's why he left. And then he get home very late, like 12 something o'clock in the morning, and yeah, he got home very late, and then he has only 2 hours in bed or 3 hours because he need to get up early also, because today it's his regular day and he need to be there very early. And look at that. Why you like to be in the table, Hubs? Hubs, you are not allowed. In the other house, I won't let you because I will squirt water on you all the freaking time. You just doesn't listen, guys. Look at that. You doesn't listen. And I texted him, told him that I miss him, and he said he's gonna be busy because there is a show or an event for, I think, the mayor or something. They have an event over there, and Alicia Keys is there, you know, some singers and some celebrities are gonna be there. And hi to my little man. Hi, little man. Hi, little man. Oh, look at how cute you are. Oh, your face is so clean. And this one just keep kissing me. No kisses. No kisses. What do you want? Oh, look at this, guys. What do you want? You just want your attention all the time. You just want attention. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh my God. I know. No, too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. Oh, too much. Oy, ginoo ko. Stop it, guys. Ay. You, crazy dog. Crazy dog. Crazy dog. I love you. You love me. We love each other. Clong, clong, clong. How about you? Do you love me? Do you love Misty? Oi! What do you want? What do you want? I think I'm going to start packing some whatever we have here, because we have a lot of, you know, dishes here that, you know, ready to pack. And I have also here this thing. I got that from my bridal shower. And you guys, somebody gave this to me and I really don't use it. I think this is, can you guys tell me if the cocoa, it will turn bad, really, you know, it will go bad? I don't know if they will go bad, but somebody gave this to me, cocoa, and you can make this for your rice and have a sweet cocoa tiki tingy. Look, I don't even throw it out because I will ask you if this is still good. Oh, anyway, this is an ice maker. Look, ice maker. Husband got it. So yeah, so I don't know. You guys let me know if this is bad or not. I have this like 3 years already, 3 or 4 years. I think it's 3 or 4 years, something like that. And we have different kind of stuff over here. Look, I have to start doing stuff because there's a lot of things need to be done, but of course I'm the only one do it, and my sister, it's really just me for now. It's just me for now because my husband is busy all the time at work, so I'm gonna start packing. My sister-in-law come here, but she's only packing her mother's stuff that doesn't use for winter stuff, blankets, the extra blankets from her bed. I can't wait, really, guys. I really can't wait to move in there already, but everything is very slow because I'm not, you know, I'm the only one and my husband is busy. And plus, when we moved in there, so there's sealing the house and some stuff over here need to be fixed because this house is very nice, guys. This house, if this is clean and maintained properly, it's just nice house, big house, like third floor is like big. There's like storage basement and the attic and the garage, and you know, but the maintenance of this house is very poor. Like, it's like, I don't know how to explain. You see the way when every time I vlog, you see the house, the cluttered and everything. But yeah, but if this is my house, because me and my husband talk about, I don't know if I told you already in my blog, but I'm gonna say it anyway again, that if we have a money and if I have money and my husband and I have money, we're gonna probably, if we buy this house, I want to change everything. And the only problem, because you know my mother-in-law lived here for like 60 plus years, yeah, so it's gonna be hard for her. But you know, we can't afford, we're just like talking about it. If ever we buy it, I want everything open, I want this gone, I want the kitchen and the dining open, and the living room here is need to be open, you know. I want it like change everything. The carpet, I want it to be floor, you know, like wood floor. And but we can't afford. Just imagining, because you know my husband grew up here. I said something to him that, you know what, even though I lived in that house for 8 years, and 8 years, and then, you know, I don't miss the house, I miss the neighborhood, the area, guys. It's a really nice area, and it's beautiful houses in this area. Not all, but there's a lot of beautiful houses in this area. And the neighborhood, it's just, that's really it, guys. The neighborhood, close and everything. I'm going to miss the pizzeria over there, because we have ices, like lemonade ices, coconut ices. That's my husband texting me. Like, even in the Florida, even though I lived there for like 2 months, something like that, in 2 months, and I like the area. I don't miss my life when I was living with him over there, but I really did miss the Florida area. Like, it's like I feel like I'm in the Philippines. There's a lot of Filipinos. There's nice beaches over there, and the beach is really nice, guys. And it's just nice place. It's humid. I know it's humid. There's a lot of bugs, but the humidity over there is like Philippines. And I meet a lot of Filipina, guys. Even I just stayed there for 2 months. Filipino are like a lot. Okay, I'm gonna read my last text. Ang napais, ang saya-saya ng bulaklak. Ang pait-pait, ang pait-pait, ang pait-pait ng bulaklak. Kung sa bali anak, mas sinabulyak. Dati mang paita. Ang pait-pait, mura magtitik. Mura magtitik. Hi, Rox! Hi, baby! Mama Jimmy na, mama tingin. Mura magpait, mura magtitik. Oo, not tik-tik that you think. Tik-tik sa mais. Hi, wow! She's looking at me like, she do sideways. Ang tik-tik sa mais. Are you guys, you remember the tik-tik, guys? Mais, when you grind, where you grind that corn, there is a little tiny thingy that you can make a lugaw. Lugaw. Sugar, or I like sugar with that tik-tik thingy. Oh, shit! I am making some, I am hearing the humbaro kamay. I'm sorry, guys. You know this vlog? Oh my god, I need to clean up. I need to clean up the microwave. Clean up the microwave. Humba. Yeah, I'm having a humba and rice again. Never ate humba. That's why my face look like a humba. Anyway, guys, this vlog, my vlog, I just want to clarify with you. My vlog is not for a show. I just acting up like for a show. But you can see me as a me. It's a me. It's not, you know, it's just my daily life. Happy, sometimes really bad mood. I don't vlog when I'm really bad. But sometimes I do. Not all the time. But it's just, you're just seeing the me, and my life with my husband. That's what you're seeing. Because even though there's no camera, we are like that. If there's no like argument or anything, we are like that. Talk loud, fun, having fun. Tickle sometimes. You don't see me tickle my husband. You don't see my husband tickle me because it's just sad and I don't have to grab my thing. And like, sometimes, you know, like Sadin tickles me, like we tickle each other, and then I take a breath, and then like. Yeah, so this channel is like no for show, no nothing, no acting up. I only do drama thing, which is a fun thing, the drama thing effect. Yeah, so but most of this thing is just the regular me, the way we live like that, and the way and I have to talk to each other like that, the way we act to each other. So okay, I'm gonna have some lunch and enjoy it. I wanna chew. Hi guys, I'm just watching the talk, and I would like to say thank you to Angel Chan. Hi Angel Chan, thank you for watching, and I'm just reading your comment right now. Thank you for subscribing and for watching my vlog. And also to Ima Magsico. Hi Ima Magsico. The Claricel that I use, I will show it to you that you can see how it looks really. Because this is, it looks Claricel. This one here. I don't know if you can see clear. Hold on. This one here. And yeah, hopefully you can find that. Good luck, sis. And to Hot Dog the Pikidi. This makes me laugh. Hot Dog the Pikidi. Thank you so much, sis, thank you, friends. I don't know if you're a man or a woman. So thank you, friends, for watching and for subscribing my channel. And yeah, I get the idea, the stripe, the house. I put the picture here. The house, the stripe, black and white. I keep watching this Keeping Up with the Kardashian show. I think the channel 51. Courtney, Kim, Chloe, even Chris, their mother, they have this black and white theme in their house. Like, it's crazy. It's really, I like the, you know, it's calming look. It's like, even though it's most of this is black and white, it's really neat and clean looking. That's what I'm going to do in my dining room, and I probably do another project from another area of my house also. Okay, the Hot Dog the Pickedy. She's from Florida. Hi, I would love to know your name because the only thing that I can see here is Hot Dog the Pickedy D. The Pickedy D. Okay, and she have, so I guess she's a woman. So hi sis, and she have 2 kids, 2 daughters, 29 and 23. Wow, years old. Palagi kitang pinanood. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I was in Pensacola, Florida for like 2 months, I think, and then I kept visiting for twice. After that, I visited there because I have 2 friends. So for twice, and for signing my divorce paper over there. So that's twice I visited over there. So I love Florida, guys. It reminds me of Philippines, and there's a lot of Filipino out there. So right now I am getting ready. It's already 3 o'clock. It is 1.5 hour. I'm leaving. I am going to my 5-hour pre-licensing course. Hopefully it turned out good. Hopefully I pass or whatever. I don't know if there's an egg test after that. I don't have any idea, but hi guys, I got home like almost 10 o'clock and we get out like 9:30, and that's the boring hold on, boring class. That class is just the boring class ever that I ever been, and I'm so afraid that I might fart. Oh no! The crowd, because the crowd is so lame. It's like no noise at all. People are just like in the phone like this all the time. So I'm so afraid if I might fart myself. Like what I'm paying attention is my stomach. Please don't growl. Please don't growl. It's just like too quiet. Like people are just like in the phone like this. So yeah, I have a certificate already. So I'm ready to make an appointment for to have a driving test. So thumbs up for that. So anyway guys, I will end this vlog now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and always appreciate all of you guys. And yeah, good night guys. Bye. Why bread helps?